back to India Mart Leaders of Tomorrow, only on ET Now. The next SME we are featuring today offers customized and sophisticated financial solutions to its clients so they can meet their investment objectives. It's a leading financial advisory company today that offers smart wealth management tips to many affluent and high net worth clients. Take a look. SMC Investments and Advisors, based at New Delhi, is a firm with a single point focus to provide growth avenues and wealth management advisory to high net worth individuals across sectors. This SEBI-registered portfolio manager offers a host of services like risk management, equity and currency brokerage and more to help its clients increase their wealth.
We promoted SMC Investment and Advisors in 2008. Though it was the time when most of the broking houses, they were closing down their wealth management business. But we are known for doing things which are different, which are contrarian, and that is why we decided to venture into wealth management at that point of time.
Under the strong and clear leadership of D.K. Agarwal, SMC has grown from strength to strength since its inception in 2008. With its branches spread across 5 metro cities, this dynamic company has gained the unwavering trust of many successful individuals from all walks of life.
We work more on a customer-centric model, so that's the reason that we are able to control our clients. Simple. When you are working towards the benefits of the customer, when you are working keeping customer in your mind, so at the end of the day you tend to provide the returns to the customers or results to the customers.
A competent team of wealth managers and advisors works tirelessly towards greater earnings for its esteemed clientele. With its assets under administration being close to 500 crore rupees, SMC is a known name today, protecting and proliferating the wealth of its clients even in volatile market conditions.
What we are trying to do to get our investor returns which are inflation adjusted and get a real rate of returns. Number one, we try to outperform the most of our investments vis-a-vis other benchmark. Thirdly, we try to provide an investment solution across asset classes, making their optimum asset allocation so that they get the optimized return through their investment portfolios within their risk profiles and risk appetite.
See, what is that we have an open architecture. That is, we are providing in-house products as well as third-party products. And we leave it for the clients to choose what suits him.
What's the unique selling point of your company?
We have dedicated, well-trained, qualified investment advisors. So, they ensure that the client has a very good experience and they manage the relationship very well, in a very efficient and effective manner. So, and apart from that, we take a holistic view of the wealth of the client. Unlike people who only distribute the product or who only sell the products, we offer investment solutions.
How difficult is it to attract and retain talent in this space?
I will say that the demand is much higher than the supply. And since this market is still evolving, so number one, you don't get quality people. And if you get quality people, then retaining them is also very difficult. But people want to stay with good brand. People want to stay with the people who are trustworthy, who are doing the right kind of thing, who are doing the right kind of business. So we are able to retain most of them.
What's the business philosophy that you follow here?
The basic mantra had been, be honest, be transparent, be trustworthy. And that is what our brand today stands for.
Growing at an impressive rate of 15% in the last 5 years, despite the economic slowdown, SMC plans to expand its geographic network to reach HNIs in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities as well. Its transparent and honest approach has earned it valuable clients as well as goodwill in the market, fueling its vision of becoming one of the top 5 wealth management companies in India.
SMC Investments and Advisors, you are one of the largest wealth management companies in India, and I really like the fact that you have used technology to your advantage to actually grow your business, using Quant PMS, etc. One area where you'll have to focus is that because of regulatory challenges, the wealth management space has just taken longer to grow.
Well, that